English phrases explained. Welding lead. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, welding lead. This phrase might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. First, let's talk about welding. Welding is a process of joining two materials, usually metals, by melting them together with heat. It's a common technique in construction and manufacturing. Understanding this term is key to grasping the whole phrase. Now, let's explore lead in this context. In welding lead, it doesn't mean to guide or be in front. Instead, it refers to the cables or wires used in the welding process. These leads carry electrical current to the welding machine. When we combine these words, welding lead refers to the electrical cables used in welding. These leads are crucial for conducting the high current required for the welding process. They're typically thick, insulated, and durable to handle the intense conditions of welding. Let's see how it's used in a sentence. Make sure the welding lead is securely connected before you start the machine. Here, it's about ensuring the safety and effectiveness of the welding process. And there you have it, the meaning of welding lead, unpacked. It's not just about welding or leading, but about the vital components in welding. We hope this video has shed light on this technical term, making your English learning journey a bit more interesting. See you in the next video.